No one is above the law in Pasig City, not even the rich and powerful. On New Year's Eve, some residents of Valle Verde were caught lighting up fireworks. They violated the Metro Manila Council resolution and the local ordinance banning fireworks. A week later, Soto showed the violators the receipts. The tickets were issued by the Peace and Order Department and the Philippine National Police of Pasig. According to Soto, the local government confiscated a total of 1 million peso worth of illegal fireworks.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.